Mokokchung day Thursday din earthquake simulating 8.6 magnitude laga mock drill loise. Disaster khan hua homoi kiniga hoshiar thakibo edu janibo karone exercise to loise. Exercise to 12 baji re khotom hoise. Aro Mokokchung Deputy Commissioner Subusi Fojibra conclusion remarks dishe. Exercise to Imkong Miran Sports Complex, Government High School Dilong, Model Higher Secondary School, MMC Complex, Jubilee Memorial College, aro Aungza Ward laga Vishi building de loise. Idu logot exercise de rescue personnel aro volunteers khando NCC Bharat Scouts and Guides Home Guards, FNES team, SDRF medical team, PWD R&B, Police Department, personnel tade traffic aro wireless thagishe.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.